Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video tour. Today I am up at the RV Manufacturers Expo show checking out this brand new 2026 Lost Pines Sequoia destination travel trailer here. This is Forestriver's highest quality line of destination trailers. And last year I was up here and seen the prototype of it. It is now finally going into an actual production version. But I wanted to take a few minutes here, kind of walk you through the inside and outside of this thing and really kind of show you what this thing is all about. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we are now up inside the brand new 2026 Sequoia Lost Pines by Forestriver RV here. As you've seen on the floor plan was up a few seconds ago, this is a front living room, rear bedroom RV here. This is about prototype number 3, so there will be a few tweaks done to this. So please keep that in mind when ordering yours from Couch's RV Nation. But you do have a very nice cloth sofa up here. You have dual pane windows in the RV. Beautiful trim work. You can get these with 2 or 3 ACs. ACs are currently on the roof. They are working on possibly doing some mini splits in the future, but not real sure how fast that feature might come along, as they do have to get them all RVI approved and go through a whole bunch of regulations and all that good stuff. But what do you guys think of the new 2026 Lost Pines look here? Do you like the cabinetry, the counters, the flooring? Let me know in the comments below. This thing has 3-inch thick sidewalls. It is a hung fiberglass aluminum studded gel coat exterior with a beautiful exterior paint job on it. You can see here you're going to have dovetail drawer construction, full extending ball bearing drawer guides, soft close, large undermount sink, high-rise sprayer faucet, the big oven, and then right here, nice little kind of hidden surprise, if I can get it open, is going to be the dishwasher feature right here. And up high right here we have an open face cabinet. This, I was told, is going to change though. They are going to put doors on this. So the first few prototypes were kind of like this, but they again are going to have cabinets on it. So keep that in mind. What do you guys think of that? Do you like the open face look, or would you rather have cabinet doors on there to kind of hide things? Big microwave. Beautiful solid counter back there, backsplash. Nice high ceiling fan up there. I love these gigantic windows in this thing. Little dinette area or desk space over here. Nice little bar area right here. And again, really nice storage spaces, drawer spaces, magnetic catches, soft close. You guys like the two-tone look in here with the different cabinet colors and stuff? What do you think of that? Big Samsung refrigerator. And then right here, there's actually, I keep forgetting about it, but there's a little step thing down here. Now, do you guys like this pull-out pantry? Or would you rather have kind of more of a cabinet door that opens and like maybe pull out drawers or shelf space? What are your thoughts on that? That was one of the things that they were kind of talking to me about maybe changing. Again, let me know what your thoughts are and I'll kind of relay it to the guys up at the factory. They're in charge. Turbo exhaust fan up here. Then we're into this beautiful bathroom area right here. combo washer dryer down below. Nice archways. Check out this shower area over here. Let's get spun around here. It does have a heavy-duty porcelain commode with the nicer lid on it. Big shower, glass enclosure, flip-down seat. Now when I get this down to the lot, the actual full 100% production version, I will definitely redo the video. We'll look at the bottom, we'll look at the roof, we'll do all my normal, 30-minute video tour or whatever, and get you guys a better look. Trying to do this quickly here because up here at the show, there's a lot of people trying to come in and out, and I have to lock myself in here and kind of keep people from coming in, unfortunately, for them. But we're getting through it. Storage underneath of this bed. They got really nice wide entry door. I think it's like 38 inches wide. The window built in there with the thin shade and everything too. But this is a really nice setup here. All right, guys, appreciate you taking the time to watch this quick tour. I'm going to run around the outside real fast, and then keep an eye out for a much better tour when I get one down to the lot. Thanks for watching. All right, we are now back on the outside of the brand new 2026 Lost Pines Sequoia model here. I got generators running, so it's loud. Trains going by, it's loud. So I'm gonna try to make this quick for you guys and do what I can on the outside here. We'll get a much better video when we get them down to the lot. But as you can see, it does have a beautiful hung gel coat fiberglass exterior with a very nice paint job on the outside. It does again have that kind of wedge style roof we talked about, like on a few other different types of destination style trailers, like the No Boundaries version, and again on the Lost Pines we talked about last year. So nice setup there. Deep tint safety glass windows. These are nice big windows. You are going to also have, those are dual pane by the way. You are going to also have a nice big wide entry door here. If you don't build a deck like this fancy nice deck here, you do have removable heavy-duty more ride steps to get you in and out. A nice porch light next to the door here. There's an electric outlet down here. You're going to have your stove exhaust vent here. Little LED running light down there. The back door is kind of the same way as the front door. You're going to have that nice big extra grab handle there to help you get in and out of that thing. You're going to also have, again, the removable step and the light over there. But let's walk down here and kind of see if we can walk around this thing and check it out a little better. On around to the back side of this, it does have a traditional flat back kind of rear end to it. You can see the heavy-duty scissor jacks down there to stabilize it. It's got an I-beam chassis on there. They continue that beautiful paint job here on the back. And just kind of looking at that roof, you can kind of see that whole wedge-style roof sloping over here toward the off-door side. Here we can see, again, paint job continuing on around. Our detachable 50 amp power cord hooks up underneath down there. Dump area right down here as well. And there is a dump hose holder down there. Nice enclosed underbelly. They're doing a nice set of aluminum wheels on here. Westlake tires. Your dryer exhaust vent out here. What do we got right here? We have an electric outlet over here. That's kind of nice. We're going to have docking station area over here. Water filtration system, electric dump valves. Your water manifold and everything also right there. Another little running light. You notice they painted the water heater cover there along with the furnace cover. The freshwater tank drain down below, a light here as well. The thing was ordered with 6 heavy-duty stabilizer jacks. It does have a detachable front tongue the way this one was ordered as well. can see here a adjustable tongue also. This was ordered with the battery located right down here. There is, well, this pops up and there's 2 propane tanks down underneath of there, but a very nice metal cover right there. All right, like I said, I will do a much better, more detailed video when I get one of these things down to the lot. It's a little tough to do them here at the show with all the noise and stuff going on. But we will get back to you on the rest of it, nice enclosed underbelly and everything, and talk to you here real soon.